Welcome back. This is going to be part 2 to our short tutorial on how to create surfaces in Rhino. So let's get right into it. Let's start with Extrude Curve. We could type in, you need to create a box or a closed polyline prior to doing this, okay? So let's assume we create a series of polylines and then close it like that, okay? We can type in Extrude Curve. So what this is going to do is it's going to extrude the curve based on the lines that we have. I can type in Extrude Curve again on this line, and then extrude this box out. Right? We can also type in a dimension or height for your box as well. So let's say I do Extrude Curve, and then I can give this extrusion a distance. Let's say I want to do 5 feet in height. But if I want to do 10 feet in height, I can type in Extrude Curve and put 10 and enter. It will give me a 10 feet tall box. Okay. Okay, what about Extrude Curve Tapered? Let's try this out. Extrude Curve Tapered. So what this is going to do is it's going to give you an extrude curve that tapered to a point. We can change the angle on it as well. Let's say right now we have angle at 5. What if we wanted to do an angle of 3? We can do the same command and change the number to 3. We can see that the angle is different. See, now the angle of the taper is a little bit different. It's a bit bigger, huh? Okay, and now let's try extrude curve to point. What this is going to do is it's going to extrude this curve to one single point. So you need to draft out a line or a point that you want to have the end of the surface. So let's say I want it to be at this top point right here. You can type in command extrude curve to point, and then my mouse will snap to that point. Now I have extrude curve to point. Let's say I want this point to be at a different area. So I want to be taller. I can also make this line taller. And what if I want to extrude this curve to this point right here? Let's try it again. We can also do that as well. Okay. So now this surface, this curve have been extruded to this point. Okay. All right, so those are extrude commands. What if you want to create a surface based on a set of polylines? You need to have a closed polylines in order to do this. You can type in planar surface. Planar surface. Now you have a surface based on the lines that you have. Now we can also manipulate this point in space and create a different shape as well. See, and then I can type in planar surface, and I have a different shape. If I just want shape like this, and I want to create a surface, I can also do that as well. Planar surface. This is a closed polyline, and I can type in planar surface, and it will create a surface for me. So that's how you create a surface based on a series of lines that you have. Now loft is an interesting command. You can create surface based on lines. So I can select all these lines and then loft them together. It creates a single surface based on the lines that we have. Let's say I have less lines. Let's say delete those lines. I just want to loft these two. Okay, loft. It would just loft those two lines together. But if I don't want a circular shape, I can also do like a different shape as well. Like let's say I want to loft this with a box. So you can play around with how you want to loft things as well. Revolve. This command is a little bit tricky, but it allows you to create a shape based on the lines that you have around a line. So with this, we can type in revolve, but we need to use the top view to in order to use this command. Now we select an axis for it, and now we can draw our line around this axis. See? So this shape is based on this line, and it curves around this axis in the center. Okay. All right, and now we add sweep. Let's try sweep. Sweep. So with sweep, you need to select a line first prior to using the sweep command. So let's say I want to create this profile along this line. I need to select this line first and then type in sweep. And then I can select this profile and then enter. Okay. And then that profile follows along that line to create a shape. Let's say I want the shape to be more organic. I can create a curve line like that, and then I can select it, type in sweep, and then select this profile. It creates that profile along the sweep. Okay. And then patch. Patch is a command that you use to patch your topography lines together. Let's say I have a site and I have different informations or data on what is the different heights for different topography. I can use QGIS to generate these contours and then patch them together. So patch, and then it will generate a surface for me. Okay, and that's it for the basic shape commands. And then I will show you how to use different commands such as move, copy, rotate, scale 1D, and regular scale in the next video. Thank you.